just unboxed the iPhone 13 Pro, but Apple messed up with the case. They gave me the Max. By the way, you can go check out the unboxing video. It's gonna be linked over here. But came back to the Apple store because they messed up with the case, and now I got the actual case for the 13 Pro. But we are now actually trying the cinematic mode on the 13 Pro. As you can see, the blurry background, the fake blurry background, you can detect kind of where it's blurring out some stuff, and the rack focus. For example, my mom, if she's in a little bit in the background, if I'm here and I talk to her, the focus is gonna turn on her, and then if I come back, the focus is gonna come back on me. And my dad, thank you very much for filming for us. This is, by the way, the audio also coming from the 13 Pro. It's a very busy mall and hall, so it's a little bit not that great, but the mics are much better than before, and the cameras are much better than before. And this is the cinematic mode on the iPhone 13 Pro. Subscribe, because I'm going to be doing a lot more video tests for the iPhone, for the test as well for the iPhone 13 Pro. See you.